Hello, my wonderful friends and busy homemakers. How are you today? And today I thought I'd share something with you. And it's you are organizing all day, every day, whether you even realize it or not. I am Deb. You are in the office with Deb, and I am your home organizing consultant, your decluttering consultant, your household expert to make things simpler, easier, and cut the overwhelm. Get rid of it, get rid of the stress. Now, today, you're organizing all day, every day, whether you realize it or not. You just do it automatically. You don't even think about it. And here's how it goes. Let's say you walk into the bathroom. You walk in the bathroom, the kids got the cap off the toothpaste, you're putting the cap back on the toothpaste, you're putting the toothpaste back where it belongs. Maybe the toothbrush is out, you're putting that back. You're straightening up the towels because they're about ready to fall off the rack. This is what I mean. You're automatically organizing. You're putting stuff back where it belongs. Now, you walk in the kitchen. Dishes are on the countertop. You're putting them in the sink, the dirty ones. You're putting away the clean ones. That's organizing. You may not realize it, but you're automatically doing it. You're trained to do it because it's called your daily household chores. You wash the laundry. And you've got all the lights. Some lights go in this room, some go in the bathroom, some go in the kids' room. You're putting them all back where they belong. You're organizing. Hey, Tracy, nice to see you. You just do it subconsciously without even realizing it. You walk in the bedroom. You make the bed, you fluff the pillows, put the extra pillow shams back on the bed, whether you realize it or not. Maybe you take the stuff on your dresser and you straighten it up and put it in nicely, neat little piles so it looks organized. You're organizing again. Now the same goes in your business. Whether it's sending out an email, you're organizing, getting it done, sending all your emails at once. You're sitting there. You're not going from email to Facebook to here to there. You're most likely in your email sending out quick emails and answering questions from clients and everything else. You're organizing. That's organization. You're getting that done. Then when you get back on Facebook, you check your comments, you check your likes, you check your inbox. And then when you're done, you get off of Facebook. That's organizing every day. We just do it so quickly and so fast, we don't even think about it. And we say to ourselves, I'm not a good organizer. I'm not good at organizing, but you are, whether you realize it or not. Because you have that in you. You're doing it every day. Whether you're putting the groceries away, you're putting them in organized areas where they belong, you're organizing. It's so much a part of our daily life that we don't even realize it. And I want you to be aware of that. Especially when you're telling me, no, I don't know how to, or I'm not good at organizing, I can't do it. You're doing it all the time. You are. That's just the way it is. So I wanted to come on here today, give you that quick tip. And I want you to think about what I said. Think about all the things you organize in a day. You get the mail. You take it in the house. Maybe the magazines go in one pile, the bills go in another pile, the junk mail goes to be shredded or in the recycle bin. You're organizing. You're putting it where it belongs. See what I mean? What I'm getting at? Think about it. Think about it as you go from room in the house, from your living room to the next room, dining room, or the kitchen, or bedroom, or bathroom, what it may be. And catch yourself next time you're straightening something up or putting the cap in the toothpaste and putting the toothpaste away where it belongs. You're organizing. So I thought I'd share that with you today. Thank you, Tracy, for joining me, and thank you, everybody else. Let me know, #replay. And come and join Deb's Decorative Life Tips and Inspiration group, and I will see you there. Thank you.